We're here in Neath to meet Gareth Branch, Project Manager at Calan Domestic Violence Services. We're hoping to find out more about the wonderful work they do through their Inspiring Families programme. Calan DVS is one of the largest domestic abuse charities in Wales and are committed to working in partnership to end domestic violence and abuse.
The Inspiring Families programme, we've been running it since roughly about the end of 2018. The CYP, or the Children and Young People's aspect of it, came in at a later date. It was a programme that we designed and developed with young people.
We support all victims of domestic abuse. We provide services within the community for high-risk victims, for victims who self-refer and who are referred through social services. We also work with perpetrators on behavioural change programmes and educational programmes.
In terms of the process of the work then, we primarily have referrals from social services. Social services refer families to work with us. It may be sort of mum and dad, mum and partner, dad and partner. So part of that assessment process is that we offer the support for the children and young people, and by supporting them and capturing their voices, it feeds into, I suppose, understanding the whole sort of dynamics in the sort of, into the sort of family home.
The service model ranges from core domestic violence services for female victims, including refuge, support in the community, and a crisis drop-in service. Support for children and young people exposed to domestic violence and abuse. Our £55,000 grant will fund a children and young people's worker to support the delivery of the programme, which aims to develop trust and motivation in the non-abusive parent, so they will have a clear understanding of the impact that the abuse has had on the way they think.
Children and young people's element to this project, known as Listen and Hear Me, provides enhanced care and support to children aged 6 to 18. It also incorporates the views, experiences and behaviours of the children and young people within the family assessment.
On behalf of Calan DVS, I would like to say thank you very much to the Masonic Charitable Foundation for funding such an important post within the organisation that's going to help so many children and young people who are victims of domestic abuse. Thank you.
The grant is being made through the Masonic Charitable Foundation, which is supported entirely by Freemasons. And on behalf of the Freemasons of South Wales, we are proud and delighted to support the wonderful work undertaken by the whole team at Calan DVS here in Neath, South Wales.